Giants of the sea. A whale shark is the biggest type of shark. It also the world's biggest fish. The whale shark lives in warm oceans around the world. This is shark, not a whale. Although they are very big, the sharks are gentle. A whale shark can be as long as 4 cars end to end. The fin on its back is taller than you. Open up. The shark's mouth is wider than your outstretched arms. For a big fish, it has small eyes. They are only about the size of a table tennis ball. Each whale shark has a different pattern of spots and stripes on its back. But the whale shark only eats tiny sea creatures. It swallows thousands of them whole in a single gulp.